Did you know nearly half of all home buyers make their first offer after walking through an open house? Wild, right? Let me tell you, my first open house as a rookie agent felt like hosting a surprise party where I forgot the guest list. 50 groups showed up, 3 offers materialized, and I learned real fast why prep work matters. Here's the thing, your home's got to whisper, move in ready, not scream, I've seen better days. Start with a ruthless declutter. If that vase from your Aunt Mildred doesn't spark joy, neither will your cluttered countertops. Oh, and curb appeal? Non negotiable. One client added a bright red welcome mat in fresh mulch. Got 2 full price offers before sunset. Now, timing's everything. Sundays between 1 and 4 p.m., golden hours. People finish brunch, avoid traffic, and suddenly your living room's packed with potential buyers. But here's a secret, invite the neighbors. They've got cousins, coworkers, yoga buddies looking to upgrade. Free marketing, folks. Oh, and here's a pro tip, vanish during the event. Seriously. Buyers need to imagine their own family photos on the walls, not side eye your vacation snapshots. Let your agent handle the small talk while you sip coffee at the cafe down the street. Trust me, it's less awkward for everyone. Refreshments? Keep it simple. Bottled water, maybe cookies. One time I brought a cheese platter thinking I'd be fancy. Turns out 90-degree heat and brie don't mix. Lesson learned. But the real magic happens after the open house. Follow up like your paycheck depends on it, because it kind of does. Send personalized notes, answer questions fast, and for heaven's sake, make sure your sign in sheet's legible. I once misread an email address and spent weeks chasing Sarah 3 instead of Sarah Tree. Oops. Oh, and if you've got pets, boredom. Nothing kills a buyer's vibe faster than allergy sneezes or a territorial tabby. So, what's your biggest open house nightmare? A nosy neighbor? A stolen towel rack? Trust me, I've seen it all. But with the right prep, you'll turn those maybe buyers into heck yes offers. If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. Like and subscribe, or next time I'll have to stage your home with inflatable furniture.